Good day, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another week for our weekly analysis, where we talk about what we expected of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition. And welcome to our new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the family. Do like, share, and subscribe our channel for us to have more audience. I will not take much of our time today because I want today's analysis to be very short, because we are approaching a very significant week, the coming week. So we start from our bellwether, which is the dollar index. As of last week, I was interested in dollar index delivering 102,000 and 102,742, but the market price is yet to deliver that level. Now, the coming week, I'll be expecting a movement, because this CB here held the price, and the market price finds a kind of resistance and it drops. When it drops, it was unable to take out this low, the low at 100.514. It was unable to take that low. So the coming week, I'm still expecting 102 big figure to be delivered. So I'll stick to that until if the market price takes this low. Only then will I change from being bullish to being bearish. So the coming week, I'm expecting this high to be taken. I'm expecting the high of this candle here to be taken. The high that comes in here. The high that comes in at 101.915 and 1.917 to be taken, and we should be able to see 102 big figure. So I'll be sticking to 101.917 to 102 big figure. That is that on dollar index. Then we move to our Euro USD. On Euro USD, I was interested in 1.10,000. I think that was a level I was interested in. 1.10,000. So 1.10,000 was delivered. 1.10,000 was delivered. Was not delivered, sorry. 1.10,000 was not delivered because the price traded just into this CB here, into this BC here. Let's say that 1.10,000 was yet to be delivered, but I said if I should see support around 1.10,000, then I'll be interested in 1.1328. But 1.11328 was delivered, which was this. Okay, let me bring out this. Okay, let me use this arrow. So you have 1.1328 here, 1.11328. We have it here. So at 1.11328, we find the support around that area. If we find a kind of resistance around that area, and the coming week, I will still be interested in 1.1 0.0000, which is 1.10,000. I'm still interested in that level the coming week. So that's on dollar index, on Euro USD. So we'll go to our GBP USD. On GBP USD last week, I was interested in 1.31,000. 1.31,000. So 1.31,000 was delivered because there's a BC here. So this BC here, the BC in yellow was my main interest, but 1.31,000 was delivered. So we found the market price trading back into this CB in blue. So the coming week, I'll be watching if the market is going to take out this high here, or we are coming back into this level, then we attack this BC. But personally, I'm interested in attacking this BC. But if we do not see this, we'll be expecting the market to trade towards 1.33,000. So it depends on what the market does. But personally, I'll be interested in the BC. The BC being delivered. So the coming week, I'll be expecting a movement back into 1.31,000 and into the BC. So to our just popping up ads. To our Nasdaq last week, I was expecting a movement between 19,400 and 20,000. 19,400 and 20,000. So 19,400 was delivered, but the market drops from there. The market drops from 19,400. If you're unable to see the level of 20,000 being delivered. So how do I interpret it as of last week? As of last week, during the course of the week, I was interested in 19,650. But we have a movement short of how many handles? The high of this candle comes at 19,625.36. Yes. So short of some handles, I think about 25 or so, to get to 19,650. From there, the market dropped. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting if we could see a possible movement into 18,235. That will be the consequent encroachment of this candle that forms on the 6th of August. So that falls on the 7th of August. That will be the consequence encroachment of that candle. The consequence encroachment of the week of that candle. So we'll be expecting the market price to deliver the low hanging fruit. The low hanging fruit will be 18,235.68. So from there, I'll see if the market price is ready to dig into 18,000. It's going to give us 18,000 before we now decide if we are crossing the 19,639.72. If we should cross 17,639.72, I'll be bearish completely. But personally, I'm partially bearish because I'm interested in 19,400 to be redelivered, 18,800 and 19,400 to be redelivered. But I need to see how the market price reacts around 18,235.68, then into 18,000. So the low hanging fruit for the coming week is 18,235.68 and 18,000. Then I'll be looking to go back into 18,800 and 19 plus. So that is that on Nasdaq as well. To our Dow futures. On Dow, as of last week, I was interested in 41,700 to 41,800, I think. So 41,700 and 41,800. 41,700 was not delivered, but instead we went through, because this was what happened during the week. We take out this other block here, then the market reacts to the BC. Sorry, here the BC we have here, the market price reacts to it, and it automatically turns an inversion fair value gap. The BC here turns to an inversion fair value gap because it held the price. You can see from that level the market starts dropping, the market price starts dropping from there. So the coming week, I'm not rushing. I don't have anything to rush. So the coming week, I will see if the market price, this level will be delivered. The market has traded into this BC here. We also have another BC here. So these are the two levels I'll be watching. So I'll be watching 40,000 to 39,750. So 40,000, 39,750, then 39,500. So those are the level I'll be watching on Dow futures the coming week. So from that level onward, if we drop further, I'll be watching into 39,000. But if the market price finds a kind of support around that area, I'll be getting back into 41,000. So S&P 500. On S&P 500, I was interested in 57,56.69. 57,56.69. So both level was unable to deliver. So the market price has crossed 5,500. Now, what do I do at this level? At this level, I have to calm down. I have to calm down and see if the market price is gonna find support around 5,400. If the market price found support around 5,400, we are going back into 5,500. But if the market price does not find support around the area and that level turns into a kind of resistance, then I'll be coming into 53, 53.50. I'm coming to 53.50. 53.50. But if 5400 serves as a support of the price, then we go for 50. From 5400 we'll be going back into 5500. But if 5400 turns a resistance to the price, to the market price, then I'll be going for 53.50 to 5300. So now on gold, last week I was so concerned that 25.50 should be given to us, but personally I'm still interested in that level. I'm still interested in that level of 25.50. I'm expecting 25.50 to be delivered. I was out of gold because the market has been quiet for a while. It's over 2 weeks. It has been ranging. It's over 2 weeks. The gold price has been ranging. So it's not a market I want to engage myself. So then we'll go into our BTC USDT. Of last week, I was interested in 5700 and 5600 downward. 57,000 and 56,000 downward. Now, what has happened so far? The BTC price has traded. It has taken 57,000. It has visited 56,000. It has visited 55,000. It has visited 54,000. It has went down as far as this low on Friday. The low of that candle comes in at 52,600. So at 52,600, I'm expecting 52,000. 52,000. If I should see a movement into 52,000. If I should see a movement into, I'm expecting movement into 52,000. Sorry, 52,000. So I'll be expecting 55,000 to serve as a kind of resistance for BTC USDT. So I'll be interested in 52,000, even if into 50,000. So that will be all for today. Thank you for being part of the family. Thank you for coming this far with us. Thank you for being a subscriber on this channel, and thank you for viewing the channel as well. If you are a new time viewer, please subscribe to the channel. Just click on the subscription button for us to reach new people and get new people on the channel. Thank you once again. Thank you for coming this far. A quick disclaimer before I leave: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational purpose and educational purpose alone. The fact that I put my money behind it does not mean you have to do the same thing. So if you are putting your money behind it, make sure you take responsibility for your actions. So thank you for coming this far. Thank you all. We love you. Be safe and trade responsibly. Bye for now.